Hari Om and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to understand headstand, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step method of getting to a headstand. Even if you are a beginner or an intermediate practitioner, I will show you multiple steps which we can regularly practice and eventually reach to headstand. So let's get started. So the process of headstand is very straightforward. All you have to do is you have to create an equilateral triangle by interlocking your fingers. Okay, so you have to create an equilateral triangle, place the triangle onto the floor, lift your legs up and balance. Let's have a quick look at how we are going to do it in real time. So we will create an equilateral triangle. Okay, we will check it by placing the palms on the elbows and slowly again interlocking the fingers. Now lengthen forward, place the palms onto the floor, position your head on the floor, lift the knees up, try to balance and keep the head straight. Lift the right leg up and then lift the left leg up. So let's break down the steps of headstand. The first and most important step is to create a solid base on top of which we are going to balance the whole body. So interlock your fingers and learn how to create an equilateral triangle, meaning you have to place the right palm on the left elbow, the left palm on the right elbow. Right now, slowly make the equilateral triangle by interlocking the fingers. Now this is going to be an equilateral triangle. It's very important to form it, because if the triangle is not equilateral, if let's say the sides are like this, if the base is too long, then you will not be able to balance. If the base of the triangle is too less, then also you will not be able to balance well. So create an equilateral triangle. Next step is to lengthen forward and place the equilateral triangle onto the floor. Lift your hips up, place the top of the head to the floor, place the interlocked fingers around the head, lift your knees up and try to straighten your spine as much as possible. You could also start walking forward and hold this step for as long as you feel comfortable, and then slowly drop your knees again, relax, move back to Shashankasana, lengthening the spine forward, lengthening the arms forward, allowing the blood to slow down and relax. So when you are lifting the legs up, always make sure that you balance on the central part of the head. So if you just try to understand the line joining your neck and head, you will arrive at a point which is around about the center. It should not be too forward, because if you balance too much ahead, then all the body weight will be transferred towards the front side of the head and your body will move out of alignment. So you have to ensure that whenever you are balancing, always balance on the central part of the head, so that the whole body, just like a pack of cards, the waistline, knees, ankles, elbows and the whole body is in one line. Alright, so once you are done with the first step, you know how to, okay, then slowly start walking forward, walking forward, walking forward. Keep the spine as straight as possible, then lift the other leg up, okay, and then the second leg. Now again try to straighten the spine as much as possible. Keep the spine as straight as possible and hold this step for as long as you are feeling comfortable. Put your awareness to your breathing and just allow your whole body to get relaxed. Slowly relax the legs and then again move to Shashankasana. After headstand, always move to Shashankasana to allow your blood to neutralize. Once you are comfortable with this step, you can move ahead with the last step of the practice, where we are going to lift the legs up. So interlock the fingers, lengthen forward, place the head properly, then lift the knees up, walk forward, allow the spine to be as straight as possible, then lift the left leg up, lift the right leg up, straighten the spine again, and then slowly lift the legs upward. Now here, ensure that you are flexing the feet completely so that the ankles are stretched, knee is straight, the waistline, the equilateral triangle that you have made, head, all these joints and body parts are in one line
one on top of the other. Okay, hold this for some time, put your awareness to your breath, and then slowly come out of the position just like you went up. Back to Shashankasan.
Gravity is always pulling everybody downwards, and that's why we are not able to fly. We are rooted to the earth. So naturally energy is always moving down. But the moment we practice headstand, the natural tendencies still remain the same. So the energy is still moving downwards because gravity is pulling us downwards. But when we are in a headstand position, the body is inverted. So when the body is inverted and the natural tendency for the energy is to move down, we are actually able to move the energy in the opposite direction, meaning naturally energy flows downward, but with headstand we are moving the energy to our head. Okay, so when we do this, there are a lot of psychic changes that you feel, good psychic experiences, because when you hold the position of headstand, a lot of blood is moving to the areas of the head which are very delicate. So that is the ultimate experience of headstand. So my recommendation will be, do not hurry at any step. Make sure you spend a lot of time, optimum amount of time in each step, however long it takes, but ensure that you slowly, gradually move to the next step, because the eventual goal is not to be in a headstand but to get to those psychic experiences, okay, which can happen even if you hold against a wall. Okay, so anybody who is suffering from cervical or any serious neck injury or any head injury, then do not try it. All these things are a little self-explanatory also, because as you can see, all the body weight is transferred from your legs to your head, neck. So obviously your joints need to be strong enough to handle that weight properly. Okay, so practice this wisely and carefully. I hope you guys liked my video. Please do like, subscribe and share further, and write in comments whatever you want to learn. I will try my best to prepare more such yogic videos for you. Bye bye, take care, Hari Om.